17 times. Did you know that I can remind kids that God loves them 17 times just by singing this song? God loves you and me. It's a great song by Yancy, and I'll put all the links to her song in the description, as well as these posters and coloring sheets. Sometimes I get the class up and standing and dancing to this song, but sometimes I like to keep them a little more settled, and we actually sing this song seated. So today I'm going to share with you the actions that we do when I sing this song with the kids when we're sitting down. God loves you and me. God loves you and me. Now, jump up, jump down, jump all around. Do that with me. Jump up, jump down, jump all around. God loves you and me. And we have a seesaw. Look at me on the seesaw. See-saw, see-saw. Spin around and yell, yee-haw, yee-haw, yee-haw. God loves you and me. God loves you and me. Jump up, jump down, jump all around. God loves you and me. And the second verse, I have feet that dance around, dance, 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 around and around. And my arms go up and down, up, 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 down, down, down. Back to the beginning. God loves you and me. God loves you and me. Jump up, jump down, jump all around. God loves you and me. And at the very end, we just snap it out and sway to the music. So that's how you do the song sitting down. There are two other tips that I like to do in this song. I like to share a verse from the Bible that says, God is love. Whoever lives in love lives in God, and God in them. And that's from 1 John 4:16. And that's where love comes from God. So when we sing, I want you all to point to God, loves, and then I want you to point to someone near you, you and me. And then next time you sing, God loves, point to someone else, you and me. So I make it a bit of fun where they can point to someone around them and remind them that God loves them. And we do it all in the space of less than 2 minutes, 17 times. Well, I hope these ideas helped you out, and may God bless you as you remind kids that God loves you, God loves me. Bye. You can even make a big song poster by putting these two sheets together. I've also created little complimentary coloring sheets that the kids can color, or an info sheet where they can put their name and their class.